morning, friends. It is your friend in flowers, Lisa Mason Ziegler. And while I was standing here in my grow room waiting for the water to absorb, I just watered all of my cool flower seedlings, y'all. We have just got gobs. And look at these. I just took a bunch off the heat. I have got gobs of snapdragons and all kinds of stuff. Anyway, I thought I would come on here and point out to everybody, now is the time to act. And if you want my free webinar, 3 Foolproof Steps to Success with Cool Flowers, all you have to do is comment steps here, and I'll DM you the link to get it. And friends, I understand why it is so difficult to wrap your head around cool flowers, the cool season hardy annuals, right? Their planting time is awkward, and we have so many people just finding out about them. And so I am just actually, we're deep in seed starting. I mean, we'll be seed starting probably through the end of October, because we do a follow-up. And oh, good Harris. Good morning, my friend Janice from Harris Flower Farm. It's been a long time since we've been in our presence of each other, hadn't it? I am super excited. I don't know if any of y'all are coming to the ASCFG conference, the Southeastern Conference in Raleigh, North Carolina. I'm going to be speaking there, y'all, on cool flowers. This is the first time I've done a real in-person talk, I think, in 5 years, which, I used to travel all over the country doing that. I totally love it and miss it. And I can't wait to see you. And if you're one of my students or one of the members of my club, I want you to come up and tell me, hey, I'm one of your students, or I'm a member of your club, and, let's sip some coffee together or something. So I'm going to see. I don't know if this will let me turn the camera around or not. We're going to try it, y'all. It did, I think. Nope. It does not let me. Oh, there it is. Y'all, all right, so look at all. These are all snaps, so I'm waiting for water to absorb. These are snaps that came off the heat yesterday. This is my eaten kale that just came off. Look at all these snapdragons. How beautiful are these, y'all? And see, these got left on the heat too long. See, they were all bending this way yesterday. And see how they've all just come up, and these just came off. They're still just cracking. What is that? That's Sweet William. And these are in the wrong size block, y'all. This is Carthamus safflower, Zanzibar, and they should have been started in the Swift Blocker Mini 75. This is the small 3/4 inch, and we're going to restart them. But look at that excellent germination, right? Took all these out this morning. That's why they're still, see how they're not dark green yet, like these guys are? Took these out yesterday. How pretty. And look over here. Look at all of our rudbeckias. I grow so many, and that's a Sweet William. I grow so many rudbeckias, y'all. And look down here, more rudbeckias. Look, I mean, how beautiful is this? This is Prairie Sun, which is just a standard. That's a Sweet William that just came. Here's more. What is this? This is Denver Daisy and snaps. And this is Maya, I think it is. No, that's Sahara. So, friends, I just thought I would share. Again, I want to say, anybody wants my free webinar called 3 Foolproof Steps to Success with Cool Flowers. All you have to do is comment steps here, and we'll DM you the link to grab it and to give us your email so we know where to send it. And, there are so many great cool flower resources. And why are there so many? Because there's a lot of variables, and it is so different than all the other planting methods that we do, right? I mean, I didn't make this concept up, right? Our moms and grandmas and great-grandmas were practicing this for decades and decades, and we just kind of let it fall to the side, and I have rekindled it. So grab the free webinar, comment Steps here, and we'll DM you the link to get it. And friends, it's time to hop to it. We have not made our beds yet. We are in deep drought here in my well croaked. So there's just always exciting things in flower farming. So friends, don't miss the chance to get that webinar. Get the book. If you don't have the Cool Flower book, that's step A. That is the bare bones basics of the concept. And then, we have the course, Cool Flowers from Seed to Harvest, that Lane, from my co-host on Seed Talk, was the brainchild behind that. She designed it and made the layout and came up with all it was all based on the questions that we get constantly coming into the office. And that is a killer course. It is 36 different cool flowers from seed to harvest, literally out in the field videos. It's amazing. You can comment. I think if you comment cool here, we'll DM you the link for that if you want that. That's a course that you have for life, and it's an incredible resource. So friends, I got to get on to work here. I got to check all my trays to see if the water's absorbed, get rid of it if it hasn't, and move on. So friends, happy fall, and it's cool flower time. Hop to it now. Ciao.